Talk a little bit right now, Cody. Why do we have this random tarp in our living room?
Sure, let's talk about it now that I have my mask on. Because we're cutting through the concrete wall on the lower half, so it's done for when we do the flooring, because eventually that's going to be a door to the guest bathroom.
All right, so that's gonna become a door. This is a concrete wall, and Cody has to cut through the concrete wall with what tool?
Cement saw.
Okay. So I'll show you a little bit on the other side, but right here is just a piece of plywood, is it, Cody? No.
Yeah.
It's just like a little piece of paneling.
Yep.
And that's the only thing dividing this living room from the garage. So we're gonna go around and show you what Cody's doing. I'm gonna take a deep breath.
I'm going to open this window a lot more.
With all this dust, you can see why Cody put the tarp up on the other side. This is the window that's open in the garage. My job is to vacuum! And I don't have a connection piece for this, so I'm doing it by hand. I made sure to order some accessories on Amazon and they showed up 2 days later. All right, the hole's complete. I'm going to take you outside and show you how to use the saw. We rented this saw at the Home Depot, which was more cost effective than buying a saw and a blade.
And that's how you cut concrete.